Zaria, your mum told me that I have to do your hair, but I've seen a video on TikTok that like does a hair hack. So like I can use the Hoover to do your hair. So should we try it? What do you think?
Yeah.
Alright, we've got Henry here, so hopefully that works. Let's see. So here's our Henry. Yeah. And basically we need this wire. And you come over here. So thank you, Izzy. I don't know how we're going to do this today. How do I do it, Zaria?
I don't know. I cannot do it.
Let me try this. What hairstyle do you want? Should I do it like in half or what?
Half.
Should I do half, yeah?
No, just do one ponytail, innit?
I'll do half, because she's got lots of hair. So let me do this half.
No.
Does that hurt?
No.
Can you feel it?
No. I can't do nothing.
What does it feel like? Does it feel funny?
Yeah.
I need to try to get all of the hair though, like, so it's like really clean. And then, how much does that go, Zaria? How much do you usually do it like?
A fringe.
I don't know about the fringe. Is that alright? Is that like good, Zaria? Okay. I'm just going to do it like this. Yes? Now.
It doesn't work for people with too much hair.
Now,
does
Zaria,
it?
you want a hairband?
Yeah, mommy.
I'll get this.
Adam doesn't want you to hoover
Double
her
it.
hair up.
Double it, pass it to the next person. And then put it all inside it. Yeah. Pop. There you go. Nothing.
So this is what it looks like as I turn around. Turn around. What do you think? Is it a good hairstyle or not?
Medium.
I think that didn't work very well. It looked like a big mess.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it works with people with really little bit hair, innit? But people with curly
I
hair.
want it.
Yeah. So we'll do your hair again.
Guys, that was rubbish. Don't try it at home. It doesn't work.
So everybody, this is after I did her hair. Do you want to do a twirl for us? There you go. She looks like a mermaid. Do you like this hairstyle?
Yeah.
Yeah, is it better than the Hoover one?
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, don't be lazy and do your own kids' hair yourself. Not with the Hoover like Daddy did.
Dad's on naughty.
Dads are not naughty. Okay, bye everybody.
Bye.